Saturday morning. Here I sit. I think I've got it figured out that it's my sciatic nerve, and I haven't been doing the right things to make it better. So right now I'm just sitting here in my living room watching WTF on YouTube. That's Wellington. Wellington truck. What's the F for? I forget. You guys tell me. You know you guys watch this stuff. I'm really hurting that I can't freaking watch the truck out in the garage. I really wish I could be out there right now, but I am like hurting like no other. I can't even get up. I mean, I'm trying to do some stretches, and there's just no way that I can even do it. So anyway, there's a chiropractor open on Saturday. It's up in Little Rock. It's about a half an hour to get there. I'm gonna go up there today. I open up after 10, so 10 o'clock I'm gonna call, see if I can go up there. That's how this weekend's starting to shape up right now. Oh, my wife got me this little guy right here, and some of my favorite candies right there. I really love those. But yeah, just sitting here with my coffee, a bagel, and you know, just trying to live the good life. Watch these guys here. Man, they're putting it down. They got some beautiful trucks over there. If you haven't looked at this channel, just look up WTF. I forget what the actual name of the channel is, but they got some pretty awesome videos to watch and get you inspired to go out and work on your stuff. I'm really inspired right now, but I can't move. I love their Mazdas. I just love Mazdas. You know? Yeah, so now I'm doing a video of a video because this is where it's at right now. I'm trying to stretch my back out. Where is it? The black one, that one right there. Oh, I love that one. Oh, it's a Mazda. Man, they're laying it down. Alright, so I went to the chiropractor. Yeah, herniated disc, sciatic nerve, all that kind of stuff. And, what are you doing?
Got a baby spoon.
You got a baby spoon?
Yeah.
So I also watched some videos on YouTube on how to relieve the sciatic nerve. And so I started doing that, basically bending backwards and putting a wedge in your back and trying to get yourself to arch in the opposite direction again. Really what happened was 2 weeks ago when I worked really hard on the Ranger, that whole day I was bent over forward. Bent over welding, bent over grinding, bent over picking up stuff, and I didn't bend backwards. So I ended up with a herniated disc that ended up pinching the sciatic nerve. So that's what happened there. So we went out to lunch after that. Now we're headed back towards the house. We're going to probably stop and get ice cream. And then hopefully if I feel better closer to this evening, because it's only like 1:30 right now, so if I feel better here after a little while, then I might be able to get out there and work on the Ranger a little bit. Are you okay?
I don't know.
You know this is gonna be on YouTube like forever.
I know.
You know. All right. We'll see you guys later. I really wish I could be showing you guys some stuff that I did, but I didn't get to do nothing. So I got good news, bad news, good news, bad news, bad news, good news. Good news is it turned out, well, it's actually bad news and good news at the same time. It was my sciatic nerve that was pinched. Apparently the weekend that I did all the work to this and was hunched over, welding and grinding and everything, I didn't bend backwards enough. And it ended up pinching my sciatic nerve, and that just led to the next 2 weeks of back pain. And I didn't know where it was coming from until I started looking up some stuff on YouTube, asking my wife, talking to different people, found out sciatic nerve. So I went to the chiropractor. They got me cracked. I got to go back hopefully Wednesday, even next weekend again, and get cracked again. So that's all done. If you hear something in the background, it's April running around. I have her in here. We're about to leave. But anyway, that being said, I was waiting on the gap insurance refund check to come in from the Chevy Cruze trade-in for the Silverado. And I finally got that check in. So that is going into the bank as of tomorrow, Monday. And I've already ordered my wife's tires for her rims. I've ordered the tires, and I ordered the drive shaft tunnel from Thorbros. I also ordered a license plate set-in box. And what else did I order? Dang it, I ordered one more thing. I ordered 100 feet of 1/4-inch DOT airline. And that'll be used for this and possibly the Mazda as well. I should have enough for both trucks. So those 3 things were ordered from Thorbros. I got on eBay and ordered tires. As much as we're going to drive the truck, I'm not looking at like 50, 100,000 mile tires. I'm just looking at tires that will be able to make it to and from 3 shows a year or more. I think it's 4 shows, and that will get us the minimum we need to become part of the Freaks. So there's that. What else? I think that was just about it. I know there was good news, bad news, bad news, good news. I spent all day Saturday with my daughter and my mother-in-law. We went out to eat and went to the chiropractor, of course. We did some Goodwill shopping, found some lamps that I really liked. I might show you guys those. And then we came back here and I did a few things around the house, helped my daughter get her room picked up, got some stuff moved around the kitchen. I mean, I did stand up stuff because I needed to keep moving and needed to keep my back bent and moving around. So, yeah. Now it's time to leave. I'm not going to say I'm sorry. I'm not going to say I'm sorry. Everything is still here. But I feel much better. I've been doing a lot of bending and twisting and the correct stretches that I need to do to correct my sciatic nerve pinch. So that's good. I'm really, really glad about that. So I just noticed that I need to weld on the back side edge of these to get them to hold a little stronger. All I got is the weld on the sides. Yeah, we need to weld that side. Anyway, I am headed out, and like I said, I've got some stuff going on with the big truck too. Not nothing really serious, but it needs to have like a program update, so that'll be done midweek. So that's it. We really need to get the stickers on. I think this next weekend we're gonna get our Freaks support stickers on, which, I mean, there was one right there that was on there. So we're going to end up putting another one on there and get those stickers on there. I think we might end up putting one on the golf cart, one on the Silverado, a couple on the Mazda outside. So, yeah. Oh, and here's my hat. Look at that pin. Look at that. Look at that. Freaks, baby. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I do it like this. Makes it all blurry. Freaks. So, until the next video, I'm going to stretch all week. And I plan on being really close to 100% next weekend. And I swear to you, I'm going to put in some damn work on this. My wife's off next weekend. So we're going to put some work in. But, oh yeah. There's the father-daughter dance Friday night. And there is, what else is there? There is the Jurassic Quest on Saturday that we got to go to. But I swear to you, I'm going to put in some damn work next weekend. One way or another, I'm going to be out here and I'm going to cut chop, weld. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that in there. So chop, cut, weld, and something on this. Next weekend, and do that. I'm gonna take you to the father-daughter dance. I'm gonna take you to the Jurassic Quest, and we're gonna have some mini truck stuff in there all at the same time. So yeah. But I was talking about the stickers. I don't know if I showed you guys the stickers, but there's the stickers right there. These are all individual stickers, and we'll be able to put those all on our vehicles. So until next time, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I swear I'm going to get my back straight, and we're going to be doing some mini truck stuff. If you don't know what a sciatic nerve is and you don't know how it feels, go look it up. It is a horrible, horrible, horrible feeling. And it goes all the way down the back of one of your legs or even both legs. So give me some thumbs up for toughing it out. I'm trying to get this stuff straight and taking care of myself. And give some comments at the bottom. Have you ever had your sciatic nerve act up on you? Yeah. That ain't no good. All right. Look at my fans. I love you. I love all my fans. God. You guys ever had a sciatic nerve mess you up? Watch this video.